Today we're going to talk about how to read error codes on a furnace. We're going to start off with reading the error code while power is still applied to the furnace, and to do that we're going to look through the visual inspection down here to the flashing 7-segment display, which is going to give us error codes. And it's going to start with an E and then 3 numbers following to tell us what the code is. So in this case we have a E250. So I would simply write down E250 to record that, and then I would go down here to the chart to E250, which tells me I have a open limit switch. At this point then I would troubleshoot my limit switch. Now if I forget to check the fault code before I disconnect power, I very simply have to remove the door, then most people use tape. I prefer to use a wire tie to bypass the safety switch on the door. Okay, reapply power, and when you get the small pulse, you simply push the white button and hold it until you get an E. Once you get the E, you release, and then it will start running through the fault codes again. And then you simply record them and then refer to the chart to figure out what the fault codes are. It will retain up to 10 fault codes. It will list them in the order latest to the first. So whichever one happened the latest will be the first one, and then it'll scroll to the next one and so forth.